Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500, E-mini futures, and what we saw yesterday, we expanded. We talked about how the 80 half to 82, 81 half area was going to be a a potential floor in the market. It held all day. It wasn't really challenged. What we've been seeing lately is the opening area within a few ticks of the regular trading open has been a very likely, very viable area for the morning dip. Yesterday was around 86. I want to say 86 quarter. And what you're seeing is moves down into that area, within a handle or so during the morning, and that has provided a pretty decent opportunity to get long this market. Today will be a very interesting day for me because I was looking to see if we could do a ride of the upper Bollinger Band. During the course of the holiday session and the Tuesday session, both of which are the same for the purposes of trading days, so to speak, we failed to touch the upper band. Additionally, we broke below Friday's low. Now that low was rejected, and we closed some 18 handles higher. What we're seeing tonight was a retest of the highs. 98.5 is the high versus 98.75, and we're trading 20.94. So you have to look for the same things you always look for when the bulls are in charge. And the bulls are in charge of this market. They are 100% in charge as long as we're above the 80 to 81 floor, and they are probably in charge as long as we're above the 74 weekly pivot. If the bears can take out those two levels, then you have to look at the bears taking control of the market. So what I'm looking for today is, do we get another morning dip to buy? And if so, can that buy generate enough energy to get back to the upper band? That doesn't look likely. The upper band is kind of running away, which is why it's so hard to do band rides when the bands already start from a fairly expanded state. This is not your typical compression to expansion type band ride. And it tucked itself under the band for a few days, which really, took a lot of the energy out of being able to ride the band. So does that AM dip get bought? Can we go back up and engage the band? In order to engage the band, it would have to trade to 21.18, possibly even 21.20 to touch the band. So that doesn't seem likely. If that's not likely, then I would expect a test of the 80 to 81 floor. If not today, then in the next couple of sessions. And if that area breaks, a test of 74. That's what this is telling me. Losing the band ride typically has consequences. Although in 2013, 2014, they were never really very dire consequences. It would just be a couple day pullback. That was just an opportunity to get long again. So we'll have to see how it plays out. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. Come check out our live charts and audio. And we've got a really nice web-based live chart and audio feed going all day. We even throw up a copy of the chat scroll there. So if you're out, if you're on your phone, your iPad, whatever, you're constantly connected to what we're doing in the room. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.